करने का। और ऐसी महिलाएं हैं आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर जिन्होंने हमें अपनी अपनी फील्ड में बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है। मानसी एक सेगमेंट जो होस्ट कर रही हैं, जो मॉडरेट कर रही हैं, वो जिन लेडीज़ के साथ बात करेंगी, दे हैव गॉन थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल, जो रियल स्ट्रगल होता है लाइफ में, वो सब देख चुकी हैं। तो बहुत प्रेरित करती है ये सारी चीज़ें। और मेरे लाइफ में पर्सनली जितनी भी महिलाएं हैं, बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग महिलाएं, चाहे वो मेरी माँ हो, मेरी पत्नी हो, चाहे मेरी बेटी हो। तो आई एम एक्सट्रीमली ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर एंड थैंक यू करण गुप्ता फॉर कॉलिंग मी हियर।
After a long time you have came in on the screen, so how response you are getting?
Well, it's been a good response. लोगों से अच्छा सुनने को मिल रहा है, तो अच्छा भी लग रहा है। और मुझे वापस टेलीविजन पे आके एक्टिंग करना बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, so it's a good feeling.
Okay, any message you'd like to give to women?
To women, there's only one message. All women, all of us should हमारे अंदर एक आवाज़ होती है, उस आवाज़ को हमेशा सुनो। मैं मानती हूँ कि वो जो हमारा इनर वॉइस है वो हमें हमेशा सही रास्ते पे लेके जाएगा, तो बस उसको सुनो।
जी जी जी, बहुत दुख की बात है। मैंने अभी भी ट्वीट किया है कि वी लॉस्ट अनदर लेजेंड, लेकिन लेजेंड से ज़्यादा मेरी जो दूसरी फिल्म थी वो उनके साथ थी। और बहुत बहुत दुख की बात है कि विनोद साहब हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे, क्योंकि अच्छे कलाकार तो थे, ये सब जानते, इतने हैंडसम आदमी थे, वो सब जानते, लेकिन इतने अच्छे इंसान थे वो। उनके साथ जब भी मुलाकात होती थी, ही वाज नेवर लाइक अ सुपरस्टार। इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार थे, लेकिन बहुत दुख की बात है। एंड आई थिंक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आज मातम मना रही है। वो एक ऐसे इंसान थे जिनके बारे में कभी भी आप कोई बुरा नहीं सुनेंगे। हर इंसान के बारे में, हमारे बारे में कोई अच्छा बोलता है, कोई बुरा बोलता है, लेकिन विनोद जी के बारे में कभी भी मैंने चल अभी अंदर जाने दें। अंदर
सर सामने देखिए। सर यहाँ सामने देखिए। सर यहाँ सामने। Thank you. One more. Ma'am, ma'am, say, ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, here. Right, please. मैम ये बोले तो बोलो भाई, ऐसा मत करो। मैम जस्ट होल्ड। हो गया? हो गया क्या?
नहीं ना, उसे वो प्रेस वाली है, आप शांति रखो।
हाइट के टाइम पे नहीं बीच में आना।
फ्लैश मत मारना, फ्लैश बंद कर।
तो अच्छा।
दादा प्लीज
Started my company about 3 years ago. Women and womenhood and women's success through I Am Women, and I think that's incredible. I wish Karan Gupta and Nitish of all the wishes and congratulations yet again for celebrating I Am Women for the second year this year.
Can you tell us about what are the things that women need today in India?
Every woman needs to start something of their own. It enhances her confidence, and a feeling of achievement cannot be compared with anything else. And for a woman, when she starts something of her own, she not only it is not only a feeling of success, but it's also she's doing something for the society, and that's, I think, incredible.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Nitish, come now.
I want this picture to be uploaded. Can I just give them?
Sir, look here. Ma'am, look here. Ma'am, center here. Ma'am. Excuse me. Sir, ma'am. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, look here.
Ma'am, come back.
Run, sir. Look here. Madam, समोर आहे. Center आहे.
Ma'am, the right.
Ma'am, to your left. Ma'am, your left.
मॅम इथे राईटला
Madam, center.
या बाजूला
राईटला बघा ना please. Ma'am,
Ma'am, your
थोडं
left. Ma'am, your left.
समोर एकदम.
या बाजूला इथे
One more, ma'am. Straight.
मॅम इथे
Ma'am, left. Ma'am, to your left.
Ma'am, समोर.
Ma'am, here.
Ma'am, right. समोर, ma'am.
Ma'am, look here.
Ma'am, right. क्या बोलते हैं right side?
Madam, here, center. Madam, center.
One more here.
एक सेकंड हो गया
Sir.
एक मिनट
Mangesh?
We'll go bite here and fish together. We'll go.
Yeah.
One bite. आप साथ में आना.
Sir, look here. Sir, here. Sir, ma'am. Madam, here.
बोथ ऑफ लुक
Sir, your left side. Madam, left side.
Your right. एक second. Ma'am, just steady. All of you. Last one straight. Sir, here. Sir, straight. Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll do the bite. Yeah, just that.
Karan sure
Please, आप बेटा ना. She'll do only one bite. So come together.
Sam, put your mic ahead.
Put your mic here. With camera. हाँ. Mic उधर ही है. हाँ, ये दे दो. Rolling.
yes
What does I Am Woman signify to you?
I Am Woman, which is an award presentation by the Karan Gupta Education Foundation. It signifies empowerment. It signifies that today's women has the strength to barge ahead. It signifies that women is the real Shakti, you call Stree Shakti. And you have to just recognize it so that others are also motivated, and those who are awarded are in turn again motivated to do even better activities in the future.
Here's a man who's constituting the I Am Woman Awards. What do you have to say about that?
He's a great person, as I've come to know that his foundation, he's himself a Harvard graduate, and the foundation is doing great work. Karan Gupta Foundation is into child welfare and women empowerment, and I feel so women and children are the basic foundation of our country, the gift for us, for our country to develop further. So whatever they are doing, even for the handicapped, having various skill development classes, or getting investments or donations directly to the end users, all this is really appreciable, and they will go a long way towards empowering women and improving the condition of poor children.
Karan, your thoughts. Ma'am's here.
It is my absolute pleasure to be with a woman who is a banker, a social activist, and one of the most beautiful singers that I have ever seen. The last few days, I've only been hearing ma'am's songs. And the more and more that I read about ma'am and the work that she's done for the villages of our country, for women empowerment, she's with mentally retarded children, the work, it's an example to women everywhere. Ma'am is an inspiration. Mrs. Fadnavis is one of the most dynamic women that our country has seen.
And ma'am, what do you feel today's woman needs in terms of women today? What do you feel women need today?
I feel that every woman has a different color in her, a different talent in her. What she needs is to hone this talent. What she needs is a bit of confidence. What she needs is family support. And if parents support their daughters, I don't think so anyone can stop a daughter to touch the sky. Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, come with.
Ma'am, look here.